are you going to buy a camera? Like, do you even know how to use a camera? Because I don't. That's why you don't see me buying no HDP Pro 2000X Canon Maxima Sony.
I love to drink, love to fed too bad. In love with cannibal too bad. That girl whining down, she too bad. You don't want party, what too bad.
Hi guys, it's Naya. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome cousin. How are you? Here on my channel, I give you guys YouTube tips and tricks. I do my hair when I feel cute. And I do a bunch of other stuff that you guys probably do not care about. Welcome to a YouTube video. Today's video, I'm really excited to make, and I hope that you guys really enjoy it. So before we get into it, I want to remind you guys that I do have a whole playlist dedicated to YouTube content. So just go ahead to my channel and check it out, which will also be in the description box down below. Literally, I get so many questions of people telling me, like,
how do I start my channel? How can I start? I want to start a channel, but I don't know where to start.
I will be telling you guys how you can start in 5 easy steps. So without further ado, we're just going to get right into the video. Before you even think of starting a channel, I need you to ask yourself,
why do I want to start a channel? What do I have to offer to my viewers? What kind of videos do I want to make? What is my target audience? What kind of videos do I want to post?
I just want you guys to have a clear vision of not even the specific type of video, but just a broad category. Are you into makeup? Are you into art? Are you into gaming? Are you into cooking? What is it that you're into that you want to record? Why do you want to start? What do you have to offer? Oh my god, y'all, my lace is lifting. You really need to ask yourself, am I doing this because I want to earn money from it? I would not suggest going into YouTube primarily for the money. I feel like that's an afterthought, because realistically, if you go into YouTube for the money and you realize how much work actually goes into YouTube with recording and editing and thumbnails and algorithm and A, B, and C, it will literally feel like a job to you instead of something that you actually enjoy. I feel like it would kind of show in your videos. So before you even start your channel, I want you to ask yourself those questions that I mentioned earlier and really focus on why you want a channel and what you have to provide for your viewers. So step 2 is actually something that I mentioned before in my part 1 on 5 things that I wish that I knew before starting a channel. I need you guys to have 50 to 100 video ideas. Please, you need a plan. Person A has 50 to 100 or even more video ideas. Person B has none, okay? Person A can post consistently, has variety. Person A has more options. Person B posts the video and they're like,
so what should I post next?
And then they have to record, and then they have to edit, and then person B falls off the map. Whole time person A is posting and gaining, you know, whatever it is that they want to gain from YouTube. Person B, they're not consistent. They don't have any options to post. At this point, they're just there. You never want to be person B. This is crucial before you start your channel, because you have to have video ideas so that you can stay consistent and so that you always have options. Number 3, you want to do your research. So it's so strange to me when people do this, actually. So I've had a few people ask me questions and like say I wouldn't see the DM until a week later, a couple days later. I'm like, so you waited all this time for me to answer your question when you could have just looked it up on Google. Don't be that person, okay? I need you guys to be able to, y'all saw that fly or mosquito, whatever it was just now? Whatever questions that you have, the answer is literally under your nose at your fingertips, because I'm sure you be having your phone 24/7, like just up on your phone. So if you have a question, you could look up how to make intros. So that kind of transitions us into what you should be researching. Listen, if you have an iPhone, if you have a Galaxy, an iPad, whatever it is that you have, use it. Please do not go out and buy a $2,000 camera and you're just starting your YouTube channel. I do not suggest that at all. And that will also be a tip that I will mention in 5 beginner mistakes that you're making when you're first starting your channel. Because why are you going to buy a camera? Like, do you even know how to use a camera? Because I don't. That's why you don't see me buying no HDP Pro 2000X Canon Maxima Sony. I use my MacBook Pro now, but that came later. So when I first started my channel, I looked up on YouTube how to edit YouTube videos for free on iPhone. All the options that popped up, there are so many different apps that you can use. So what you want to do is find one that you're comfortable with. So what I did was I took a little clip of myself. Hi guys. Hi. I played around with that as I watched the video. So as they told me, okay, so here's how you split a clip, I would go back to the app and be like, Oh, that is how you split a clip. What else can you do on this app? When you're researching how to edit videos, I want you guys to take a clip of something, whatever it is that you want to take a clip of, and just practice with the video. Do the same thing that you did with the videos for thumbnails, okay? Look it up. It's at your fingertips. Whatever intro it is that you want on your videos, look it up. If you want a basic intro, look up YouTube basic intro. If you want a more advanced intro, look it up. And like I said, as you're watching these tutorials, I need you guys to practice as you watch. After you watch, you're gonna be like,
oh my God, what am I even looking at again?
and that's how you're gonna feel. So we practice how to edit our videos. We practice how to edit our thumbnails. If you want an intro, you practice how to edit your intro. So now you should be comfortable with whatever it is that you record from the list that you made and editing that piece in order to upload it. And then that's that. That's your formula for the video.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
You're just a true 6 like Lodi. That is what you're doing with your body. And when you're wine, pretty girl.
I really want you guys to create a schedule for yourself. What do you want to upload on what day? How many days a week do you want to upload? What days a week do you want to upload? So get a calendar, write it down in your little calendar, and get all cute with it, make it inspirational, get a book that looks cute that you don't mind looking at every day, and just write in it. Write your schedule. And I feel like that's helped me so much because now my audience knows what to expect on what day, as before they didn't know. Like I was just like,
I uploaded, I posted. Your notifications are on, so you knew that, but just letting you know.
My schedule was really all over the place, and that's something that I do regret. So I suggest, as a beginner YouTuber, just create a schedule for yourself, and it will be easier for you because you know what to post on what day. Last but not least, pre-record your videos. If you guys don't know what that means that you're recording videos in advance, basically. I like to pre-record my videos so that I can schedule them and not have to worry about,
Oh my gosh, I have to post a video for today. I completely forgot.
the video that I'm recording today. I'm probably not gonna post this until a couple days from now, but I'm gonna record it and edit it and just have it there so that it's ready to upload. So just have videos ready to upload so that you're not rushing to force out content, so that you can have a breather. I know a lot of people who actually record, edit, and that's all their life is just record and edit, record and edit, record and edit, because they're not pre-recording. So when you pre-record, you have content set to the side. So let's say one day you want to relax, you can completely do that because you have pre-recorded videos and you know it's scheduled to upload. Again, if you want to know about scheduling uploads, I mentioned that in my part 2 of 5 things that I wish that I knew. While we are on the topic of being consistent, the 4th thing that I wish that I knew when starting a YouTube channel, I wish that I knew that you were able to schedule videos. There are different upload settings. There's private, public, unlisted, and there's schedule. In order to get your video scheduled, what you would do is upload any things that I wish I knew before I started my channel. Then the links will be in the description box as well as in the YouTube tips and tricks playlist. And that's really it. You know how to edit now because you practiced when you were watching the tutorials. You know how to edit your thumbnails because you practiced when you were watching the tutorials. There are tutorials on banners too, so you know how to do that because you practiced while you were watching the tutorials. You know what you want to post because you have 50 to 100 video ideas. You have a schedule for yourself. You know what you want to post on what days. You're doing this because you enjoy it, not for the money. You made a YouTube account and now you're ready to post. And so you do. You can do this. Starting a YouTube channel is just starting. Once you get into the notion of doing things, you would wonder why you didn't start sooner. And I don't want you guys to sit in life and be like, oh my gosh, I wish I started sooner. I want you guys to start now because, like, come on, we've been in quarantine for how long? Girl. We've been in quarantine for how long? You still ain't started? Sis, I've been talking to you. I've been talking to you about this for a minute now. One more thing that I did want to tell you guys. Please do not think so hard on your first video that you're prolonging starting. There are a lot of people who say,
I wanted to start YouTube for the longest. I don't know what my first video is going to be.
I always say this, it might even sound repetitive, but it's so true. If you don't know what your first video will be, how do you know what to post after that. So this is why I say you need the list of ideas. I want you guys to get those 50 to 100 video ideas, because you know that those are good ideas, and just put out content from there. I suggest heading over to my YouTube tips and tricks playlist. Even more information is there. I really hope that this video helped you guys. Give me to 10K followers on Instagram. I think we are like 9,400 now, so we're getting up there, whatever. We almost there, whatever. And I will post 5 beginner mistakes that you're making. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My Instagram is down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Hands in the air, rocks and free.